Attention SHIB Army, welcome back to SHIB Planet. This is Captain Ace reporting with a special update for the SHIB Army. Today I received a clarion call from the pseudonymous leader of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, General Shytoshi Kusama, and he basically was calling on all of the SHIB Army to rally together because it's time for us to do exactly what we were designed to do, and this was the signal he told me to look out for. According to CoinMarketCap, in the year 2021, Bitcoin reached a top of nearly $68,000, and General Shytoshi mentioned that when you see these figures again, begin to rally the troops because our mission is about to begin. And then today at exactly 11:55 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, Bitcoin once again reached an all-time high, or a near all-time high, of nearly $68,000, and this initiated our marching orders. And at exactly the same time, the crypto fear and greed index reached a peak of over 90 out of a possible 100 units, indicating extreme greed. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you a tale of how a little token on the Ethereum blockchain defied all the odds and signaled what's going to be one of the most amazing bull runs of our time. Welcome back to SHIB Planet, everyone. This is Ace. I was called out of my civilian hibernation by General Shytoshi to wake up the rest of the SHIB army, because things are about to get really interesting. Let's get right to it. According to the official SHIB token Twitter account, they said started from the bottom and now we're here. And of course, this is related to Shiba Inu's trailblazing rise to the top 10 cryptocurrencies on the planet, boasting a yearly high market cap of over $25 billion today. And shortly before this, Shytoshi rallied the troops together with this tweet. He said, "Dear SHIB Army, it seems that our march to the ranks of Dogeville are completeth. Now, as we stare at their complex, we must pause to assemble a strategy to overtake a large market cap, though we have a stronger army. Therefore, although your general may be quiet, it is only because I am assembling elite units to traverse the walls and our position, and to position our marksmen along the perimeters of their Doge quarters. Be patient, as this is a delicate situation, as we must position ourselves perfectly for the time of attack. Also calling in all reinforcements. Hail SHIB." And it is exactly because of this call, dear SHIB Army, that I am here to tell you exactly what happened and also to explain to you why this is happening. Now, typically when a bull cycle is nearing its end, that's when you typically see gains from Bitcoin and other top 20 cryptocurrencies begin to flow into meme coins. But today a new signal emerged after Bitcoin topped, and the market almost instinctively took focus on their secret bull market guilty pleasure, which is none other than Shiba Inu, the hero of the previous bull market. And YouTuber Elio Trades puts it best like this: people think memes pumping means the market is overheated. This is wrong and very outdated. The recent pumps in Doge and other meme coins, including Shiba Inu, signal the very beginning of retail coming back. These are the coins that a huge portion of 21 traders gravitated towards because they are familiar. It's pure muscle memory in the charts and is signaling the start of a new thing. So this is clearly the beginning of the next wave, in his opinion. It was as if as soon as Bitcoin got back to all-time high, that was the signal Shiba Inu was waiting for to unleash all the ammunition and artillery which it has at its disposal and lay waste to the likes of Polygon, Chainlink, Tron, Polkadot, and the gaming giant Avalanche. And of course, our real target is Dogecoin, which we came dangerously close to slaying once and for all. And with these stats, we are technically not far off, because SHIB has managed to jump over 295% in the past 7 days at the time of recording, and it recorded a trading volume of well over $13 billion within 24 hours, which was much more than the combined value of the likes of Doge, Solana, XRP, and Cardano. And yes, I do mean combined. And SHIB also topped a price of over 40,000 Satoshi units, and at the time of recording, it's around 43,000 Satoshi units, and that's awesome. But let's explain why this is happening and why SHIB is very likely to continue this momentum as Bitcoin nears its next halving cycle in April. Firstly, let's get technical. According to data analytics provider Into the Block, SHIB has a very high price correlation with Bitcoin of roughly 77 out of 100, meaning that as Bitcoin moves up, Shiba Inu almost always moves up in tandem. And today shows that the market really favors Shiba Inu as their go-to meme coin. And secondly, we all know that Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency, and we know that it's also nearing its all-time high, especially with the hopes of an ETF approval and also a network upgrade coming later this year. But did you know that Shiba Inu is one of the biggest ERC20 token holdings of Ethereum whales? So it's very natural for whales to shift their gains to Shiba Inu for massive profits. It's a win-win relationship. And in addition to that, Shiba Inu has already done all the marketing heavy lifting in the previous bull market. So it's literally on every single crypto exchange with tons of liquidity. And that makes it very, very easy to buy and trade. But before I continue, I have a massive disclaimer. In case you're new to the SHIB army, let me tell you why SHIB is always a good bet in my opinion. And by the way, this video is not financial advice. If you haven't made any money from Shiba Inu by now, don't think that it's all up from here. The real SHIB army has made massive gains and also massive losses, but we don't talk about those days anymore. So don't say I didn't warn you. Unlike most other meme coins, SHIB has made much more of an effort than other mainstream crypto projects to be able to bring value and utility to its holders. For instance, Shiba Inu has a decentralized exchange, ShibaSwap, which once boasted a TVL of over $1 billion. Shiba Inu also has two official NFT collections, the Shiboshis and their female counterparts, the Shiboshis, and they boast a collective value at the moment of over $25 million, and that's calculated by summing up their floor prices. And Shiba Inu is also developing a metaverse on Unreal Engine 5, and there is also no venture capitalists funding any of this, because it's all community driven. And of course, Shiba Inu even has its own lightning-fast Layer 2 blockchain solution upon which are built many, and I mean many other blockchain projects which include utility like DEXs, decentralized finance platforms, games, and even algorithmic neural net trading bots. And now SHIB even has its own .shib domains which are being launched very soon. But I do think that this video will end up being very long, several hours long in fact, if I was to go into all the details. But suffice to say, SHIB was very, very busy during the bear market, and the results are exactly what you see today. But I think one thing is for sure, Shiba Inu was made to thrive in bull markets, and this is our season to shine once again. I'll leave you guys with some wise words from a recent tweet from the official SHIB token account, which says, "With each sunrise, our legacy grows stronger. #SHIB Army."